Hi students, today I will teach you about architecture of 8051 microcontroller. You know microcontroller is equivalent to microprocessor plus memory, I/O ports and timers. Microprocessors are used in general purpose systems like desktop, laptops, etc. Microcontrollers are used in special purpose systems like smart TVs, microwaves, ACs, washing machines, etc. 8051 microcontroller is a 8-bit microcontroller. It can perform all operations on 8-bit data word. That is, we can add two 8-bit data and result also 8-bit data. It has 8-bit data bus, 16-bit address bus. Students, we have two technologies to produce a microcontroller. First one is NMOS, N-type of metal oxide silicon, and CMOS, complementary metal oxide silicon. Using these two technologies, companies are producing the microcontrollers. Look at this block diagram of 8051 microcontroller. It also called as architecture of 8051. This diagram is consisting of 8 general purpose registers, special function registers, internal ROM, I/O ports, control unit and buses. Now I will tell you what is general purpose register. This register is used in all general operations like ALU operations. 8051 has 34 general purpose registers. 4 banks registers. Each and every bank is 8 registers, that is 4 into 8, 32 registers, plus A and B registers, altogether 34 general purpose registers. Next, special function registers. Shortcut is SFRs, size of 8-bit. These registers are used in special functions like setting the serial communication mode and control the interrupts and timer controlling in operations, etc. Let us see one by one part of the block diagram. First part is ALU. You know ALU is used to perform arithmetic and logic operations by microcontroller. Next is A register. It is a default register. It is also known as accumulator. Size is 8-bit. B register. It is used in multiplication and division operations only. Students, remember this. B register is used in multiplication and division operation. Next is PC and DPTR. These two registers are 16-bit registers. You know very well PC is used to provide next instruction address. DPTR, data pointer. This 16-bit register is divided into two parts, DPH and DPL. DPH means data pointer higher byte, DPL means data pointer lower byte. It is used to provide the address of the external memory. Next part is internal RAM. 8051 has 128 bytes of RAM. General purpose registers and special function registers are present in this internal RAM only. Next one is ROM. 8051 has 4K ROM, which is used to store programs and data. And next one is PSW, program status word. It is having different flags to show the status of the instruction execution. Next, coming to the I/O ports. 8051 has 4 ports. Each port size is 8-bit. We can use these ports in parallel communication. That is, we can send 8-bit at a time. Now, we will learn about these ports. First port is port 0. It has 8 pins P0.0 to P0.7. Port 0 has 3 functionalities: I/O, data bus and address bus. Now we will see the first function, I/O. Port 0 can be connected to I/O devices. It can read and write from these pins. Second function is data bus. D0 to D7, 8-bit size. 8051 can read and write data through these pins from the external devices. Third function is address bus, A0 to A7. This port can serve lower byte of address bus. Now let us see second port, port 1, P1.0 to P1.7. It has only one function, that is I/O. It is very simple port. Next, third port is port 2. It has 8 pins, P2.0 to P2.7. It has two functions. One is I/O, second one is higher byte of the address bus, A8 to A15. 8051 microcontroller can get 16-bit address bus from port 0 and port 2. Fourth port is port 3, P3.0 to P3.7. It has I/O functionality and some special functions like serial communication, timers, interrupt related functions. All these ports are connected through latches to the bus. Now look at control unit. It has different functionalities to provide clock pulses, buffers, control signals, interrupts, etc. Students, now we will see the special function registers. Once again, I am telling special function registers and general purpose registers are part of internal RAM. I will give brief idea about each and every special function register. First, special function register is IE. IE full form is interrupt enable. Using this interrupt enabled register, we can enable or disable the interrupts. 8051 has 5 interrupts. Next register is IP, interrupt priority. Using this register, we can assign priorities to the interrupts. Next, S buffer. Using this S buffer register, we can communicate data in serial fashion. SCON register, serial control register. It is used to control the serial communication. Next, TCON, timer control register, which is used to control the timer operations. T-mode, timer mode register, is used to select the mode of the timers. Here, 8051 has two timers, timer 0 and timer 1. Each timer is having 4 modes. You can select any mode and we can work with the timer in that mode. PCON, power control register. It is used to reduce the power consumption. Next, TH1 and TL1. These two registers are related to the timer 1. TH means timer higher byte. TL means timer lower byte. Next, TH0 and TL0. These registers are related to the timer 0. Now coming to the buses. Here 8051 has 8-bit data bus and 16-bit address bus. ALU, RAM, ROM, 4 ports, A and B registers are connected to the 8-bit data or address bus. PC, DPTR, ROM, port 0 and port 2 are connected to the 16-bit address bus. Students, this is about architecture of 8051 microcontroller. It is very important topic. If you know thoroughly about this architecture of 8051, then only you can understand further topics.